questions Mawethu kuba what is he doing in bed with her mom. Zoleka finds out that Qhawe knows about her and Mawethu and questions Mawethu kuba picture mifuna nefonini yakho Mawethu without my consent. And then uHlathi finally puts a ring on Thumeka's finger. Zoleka calls the security to escort uSydney noLwandle out of Khusela Tech. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Iniba. So uQhawe, after going through Mawethu's phone, saw pictures of Zoleka and Mawethu. She froze, like, what are you doing in bed with my mom? Pictures Zoleka ifuna nefonini yakho. I mean, it's clear because these people are in bed together. Obviously, they were intimate. It's like, are they dating? What's happening? And then Qhawe was just feeling betrayed. She took her bags. They were going on vacation. She took her bags, and then Mawethu can't even explain. Qhawe, it's not like that. Qhawe explained what's happening. Mawethu can't even explain. And then Mawethu goes to Zoleka to tell her, hey, Qhawe knows about us. Zoleka was shocked. What happened? Mawethu, she saw a picture. Zoleka was furious at what is my picture doing in your phone? Why do you have pictures and videos of me without my consent? A whole software developer, you let a picture sit like that. Kaloku, why was my picture on your phone without my consent? Mawethu, you do this intentionally. You wanted this to come out, right? Mawethu was like, no, why would I do that? But Zoleka obviously does not believe him because in the first place, like, she did not expect Mawethu to have a picture of her. And then as Mawethu is inside the house, Qhawe comes knocking in Zoleka's house. Zoleka opens the door and apologizes. Qhawe, I'm so sorry, sis. Let me explain to you what happened. Qhawe thinks Zoleka has been sleeping with Mawethu while she is in a relationship with Mawethu. Zoleka is trying to explain it's not like that. I think mama. So you've been making me a fool and making my dad a fool. I said this thing was long gone. So when I meant you go to South Africa, all you wanted to do was get a toy boy instead of finding your own daughter. But Mawethu shows up. I mean, really? Bad timing, Mawethu. And then now Qhawe is just looking at both of them like, then now it just confirms everything for her. Oh, so Mawethu ran here instead of looking for me. So it means in Tiabo it's real. Ngapha kwaThumeka, uHlathi is going on about they've built a family and Nanje is nothing without uThumeka, and he knows he's treated her badly but wants them to get married. Ulukamva is not happy about this. And then uHlathi takes out her ring, saying Kuti ufuna spend his whole life with Thumeka. And then takes out a ring and puts it on her. Guy puts a ring first before asking her if Kuba uyavuma or not. Thumeka says she agrees. I mean, Kaloku, she's been waiting for this opportunity for 20 years. So obviously she took it. But Ulukamva is not happy. Uyanga is happy and says Kuti for everything that he has put them through. But Ulukamva is not happy. He even walked out after Umamake agreed to uvuma ukushada uHlathi. And then Ulukamva tells his mom, you know what, Dad only proposed because he broke up or he's divorced no Zoleka. So when he's plan B or C, Ubaba is just preying on he's taking advantage of a desperate woman. These words like stank deep to Thumeka because she went and talked to Thandeka about it, saying that am I desperate because like I've been waiting 20 years for this moment to come, and also it's going to change my position at church because now I'm going to be Mrs. Mabandla. But to be honest, if he wasn't divorced, no Zoleka, he wouldn't be here. So Thumeka is just conflicted, but obviously she wants to be Mrs. Mabandla. She's waited for too long, Galuk. And then I said, after seeing what dies, he's all over the place looking for Lwandle, saying Lwandle, I think they've caught on us. Besa khuluma njalo bedroom, Zoleka walks in with Lazarus saying ukuthi qhubekani, and then they've got a meeting. They play that recording that they tried to get rid of while doing the security breaches Khusela. But okay. Lwandle is like, but we're not the bad guys here. But he says, here's what's going to happen. You guys are going to take the fall, write a statement and say it's just you guys, Tina, and just get down. Zoleka called the security escort Sydney no Lwandle out. They're suspended. And then this security is also outside the house. Yabagada, they don't go anywhere. Hey, Zoleka, no Lazarus. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.